Welcome to my channel, everyone. My name is Toby, but popularly known as Toby of Lagos. I wanted to enjoy nature, and I wanted you to enjoy it with me. And I hope you enjoy it. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I love you all. My village people, let me run and leave this place. My own phone I almost broke the screen of my phone. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? First content creating for you guys, and I'm going through stress, but I love it. It's beautiful.
You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can't take all the time.
I'm really enjoying myself out here.
I know.
The view and everything. Look at it. You can see it for yourself. You know, all sort of designer stores can be here. You can turn it to like a mall village, like, shop village. I don't know what to say about it, but well, it looked terrible. It's beautiful. Oh damn, this is the most beautiful view that I've seen. How can this place be abandoned? Jesus. Oh.
Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can't take all the time that you need.